In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TradingView settings to default, whether you're just getting started with TradingView or you've been using it for a while and tweak the settings so much that you just want a fresh start. This guide is for you. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can get your TradingView back to its original setup without any hassle. To begin, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the chart section of TradingView. This is where most of the action happens in TradingView and where we're going to conduct our settings reset. If you're not already at the chart, simply open your TradingView account and head directly there. Once you're on the chart page, we're set to move forward. Next, you're going to look for the settings icon. This is typically represented as a gear or cog-like symbol. Clicking on this will open up the settings menu, which is where we can start making adjustments. This menu might initially seem a bit overwhelming because it holds a host of options that determine how your TradingView charts appear and function. But don't worry, we're going to hone in on the part we need. With the settings menu open, the next step involves clicking on Template. In this menu, TradingView provides an array of templates that can customize your viewing experience on the platform. Right now, however, our goal is to revert everything back to the default settings, so we'll be zeroing in on that option. Once you're in the template section, keep an eye out for Apply Defaults. This is the option we're looking for, as it will reset your current settings back to TradingView's standard configuration. Clicking this will automatically revert any customization to the default layout and style that TradingView initially had when you first began using the platform. This is particularly useful if you have experimented with different settings and decide you want to start over without all the added frills. It brings you back to ground zero so you can start fresh. After clicking Apply Defaults, a confirmation box will typically appear. This is a good thing as it prevents accidental resets that you might not have intended. To finalize this action, click OK. This confirms to TradingView that you indeed want to proceed with the default settings option, setting all aspects of your charts back to the way they were when you first started using the service. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully reset your TradingView settings back to their default state. This process is perfect for when you need a clean slate or just a simpler view from which to start your trading analysis anew. Thank you for following along, and happy trading.